everybody, welcome to my channel. It is so good to see everyone today. I am going to show you how to do laundry. So come with me to the laundry room and let's get started. You will need a basket full of dirty laundry, some fabric softener, some laundry detergent, a washing machine, some dryer sheets and a dryer for after washing clothes. So let's get started. First, you open the door, and then you separate your laundry. For me personally, I like to wash my delicates first. I like to wash them separately. The next thing you're going to do is to add the laundry detergent. And you don't want to add too much detergent. So now you pour in the fabric softener. Once you got the laundry detergent in, turn on the washing machine. And pick the washing cycle, and then you push the start button. And just like that, your clothes are washing. Once the delicates are done, take them out of the washer and air dry them. Now you put your clothes in the wash. Now you pick the washing cycle. But first you have to add in the laundry detergent. Again, you don't want to add too much. And now you hit the start button. Okay, you take your clothes out of the dryer, out of the wash, and put them in the dryer. And now it's time to add in a couple of dryer sheets. Turn on the dryer, then you hit the start button. And now it's time to put your towels in the wash. Just as before, putting the laundry detergent. As I said from before, you don't want to add too much. Now, for me personally, I like to wash my towels with hot water because hot water helps to kill any of the bacteria. Once your clothes are dry, take the clothes out of the dryer. Once you got the basket unloaded with clean clothes, so now you're gonna fold your clothes. Right, so if you're folding shorts, just lay them down. Fold like this. Now you fold them again, just like that. Same for the skirt. Right, so just fold it in half. So fold it up again. So now you're gonna take your towels out of the wash and throw them in the dryer. Okay, let's put in the dryer sheets. And then push the start button. Once your towels are dry, take them out of the dryer. And then you fold your towels. Okay, so just fold them in half so that the corners meet. Okay, so just fold them in half again, and you fold it this way. I hope you all liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I hope everyone has a good day today, and I'll see you in my next video.